Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the function SymbolSelect, which is used to add or remove symbols from your MarketWatch. Here in MetaTrader 5, this is the MarketWatch. I've added different symbols, but let's say for example that I'd like to include here in the bottom of the list the symbol of Euro Canadian dollar, and I can do this programmatically. If I go to MetaEditor, you can see here that I've defined the symbol name, and if this symbol select is successful and this parameter is set to true, this symbol will be added to my MarketWatch. Otherwise, I'll get this print statement that says failed to add the symbol name to MarketWatch. And I'd like to sleep for 5 seconds. So the code is going to wait for a few seconds just to show you that the symbol was added to the MarketWatch. And what I do next is to remove it from the MarketWatch using a false parameter here inside the SymbolSelect function. Let me compile the code, and if I go to MetaTrader, I expect to see my Euro Canadian dollar symbol appearing here in the bottom of this symbol list, and after sleep of 5 seconds it will be removed. So let me run this code. You can see that Euro Canadian was added here successfully, the print statement, and next it was removed from my MarketWatch. This is how to use the function SymbolSelect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.